Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Look Fantastic haul. I have ordered a few bits from Look Fantastic, things that I've run out of that I needed to replace, a couple of bits that I am going to review, so you'll get first looks at those, and then another few bits that I just fancied, you know, things that I've heard really good things about, things that have been recommended. I am one of those buyers. I personally won't really buy anything unless I've heard good recommendations, I've watched reviews on it. I'm one of those people, which is why I do quite a lot of reviews on my channel, because I find that it's so helpful to watch reviews and hauls to see what people are using, see what products people actually buy. So, and I always think it's good to see what people replace, because you know that they use it and they love it. So yeah, you can see a little bit of that today. And if you wanted to see like an empties in the future or something like that, then let me know and I can do an empties video and you can see what products I've used all of, which ones I've bought again, which ones I haven't. We can go through that. But yeah, back to today's video. We are going to be doing a Look Fantastic haul. I am on an affiliate program with Look Fantastic, so I have links in the description down below, and if you purchase through that link, then I get a small percentage of commission, which is lovely. And there's also a discount code that you can get 20% off selected brands and items. So let's go straight into the video, stop waffling on, and see the first things that I bought. So this is quite a big box, and I don't want to fool you guys, there really isn't that much inside it. I think in total I spent just over £100, which doesn't get you very much these days, let's just put it that way, but I am really happy with everything that I got, and I did get about £11 discount with my discount code. So let's dig into the box. So I'll keep it in front of me so you guys can see, and first we'll go through the two things that I've ordered that I'm replacing because I've run out of them. The first one is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil. I've been using this now for about 3 years. And the reason I first started using it 3 years ago is because my skin went crazy and I had like dermatitis all around my nose, all on my chin, and it took me ages to get rid of it, and I just couldn't get rid of it. So I had a really like sort of strong cleansing routine, and this guy has stayed with me through it. It honestly, it takes off waterproof mascara and it just leaves your skin feeling so good afterwards. So yeah, that's the first thing that I've got, is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil. And I'm gonna add as well that it lasts such a long time. So my sister actually got me one of these. The last one, it's not even run out yet, there's a tiny bit left. She got it for me Christmas, not just gone, the Christmas before. Like, it genuinely lasted me over a year. And that could be because of the pandemic and I probably didn't wear makeup for a lot of last year, but I still used it most evenings, maybe just not as much. So I'll be interested to see how this one lasts. But honestly, I'm gonna say at least 8 to 9 months out of this guy. So worth the money. This retails at £23, which does sound like quite a lot of money for a product that you're literally gonna rinse off your face and just takes your makeup off. But honestly, one of the best £23 I've ever spent. It is such a good product. And you just massage it into your skin and it removes all the dirt, all the makeup. Yeah, highly recommend this one for you guys. So the next thing that I ordered was the Alpha Arbitin 2% and hyaluronic acid. So I've always used hyaluronic acid on my face, and I found out about this ingredient, Alpha Arbitin. Apparently it's really good for pigmentation, and I do suffer with pigmentation on my face. It's probably linked to the dermatitis that I had. I think I've just got some like old scarring around my mouth, and this Alpha Arbitin is apparently really good for that. So this is the second bottle that I've ordered. This is the Ordinary brand, and I use it morning and evening, and I've got to say I am really happy with it. It's also sort of like really evened out the texture of my skin, and my skin does definitely feel like brighter and healthier. So yeah, super happy with that, and will continue to use. If I have any problems with it, I'll let you know, but it is really, really good. So yeah, just apply a few drops to the face in the morning and the evening and give it a little massage. Follow that with my moisturizer or in the morning with my SPF. So yeah, I can highly recommend this product if you want to smooth your face out, maybe control some pigmentation. This is the one for you, huns. So those are the only two products that I am replacing, ones that I've sort of had for a period of time and I've run out, so I'm ordering a new one. So now we'll go on to things that I've seen online, things that have been recommended. So not personally, she hasn't recommended this personally, but Jamie Genevieve has been using Cerave products on her skin for a while. She said that she really likes the cleansers and the balms for cleansing her skin, removing her makeup. So I really wanted to add a foam cleanser to my routine because, like I said, I'm using the oil, but I don't usually have like a foam that I'll use afterwards, and I wanted to add something. So the Cerave cream to foam cleanser is the one that I've gone for. It is £9.35 and it is for normal to dry skin, which is 100% me, to be honest. I am not a very oily person. If anything, I have quite dry skin on my cheeks, and then if I'm gonna sort of build up any oil anywhere, it's just the T section, but that doesn't really happen very often. So I'm okay with sort of creamier products, oily products. I guess if you had really oily skin naturally, or sort of like acne prone or spot prone skin, then you probably wouldn't be going for the oil before like me. But I basically remove all of my makeup with this bad boy, and then I want to do like a second cleanse with a foam cleanser. So that's why I have bought this guy. And it's really affordable, so if I don't get on with it, I can give it to a friend or a family member, and I'm sure they'll get use out of it as well. So yeah, that's why I went for this one. Jamie made me do it, and I'm fine with that. So the next thing that I ordered is something that I've seen quite a lot of on Instagram. A lot of influencers are using it, and it's pretty much everywhere, but it is really expensive, and I've never used this brand before, so that's why I didn't go for the full price range first. I went for a little tester starter pack, so I'll show you that now. So it basically is the Cerave Self-Tan Purity range. So you get the bronzing water mousse, and you get the bronzing water face mist. Now this face mist is the one that I was most interested to try because I've seen a lot of people using it. They put a few pumps on every night before bed. It seems like something that you can really easily add to your routine. And because I'm really into SPF for my skin at the moment, for my pigmentation, I don't feel like I'm gonna pick up a very natural face tan this year, which is fine. I'd rather have healthy skin than a face tan. So I thought I'd give this little guy a go and see how I get on with it. And I've got to say, I used it last night and I do feel like I am glowing. I am a glowing goddess. So I'm pretty much sold on it. And usually the full size face mist retails at £22. So I can say that I probably will purchase that after this runs out. I just wanted to try a little tester, see how long it lasts, you know, didn't want to take the full leap. And also it does come with a mitt, and I've never used a Cerave mitt before. I've always used like cheap ones from Superdrug that are like £1, and this mitt is amazing. So soft, look at that, so soft, so fluffy, absolute dream. And then it also came with like the body self-tan. So this is the bronzing water mousse, so it's like a mousse applicator, and it is really lovely, really nice on the skin. It smells, this is the only fake tan that I've ever used that doesn't have the fake tan smell. It actually smells like a moisturizer or something. So yeah, highly recommend, especially the face mist. It's really good, and I definitely will repurchase it. It retails at £22 for a full size bottle. But yeah, highly recommend. And I do feel like I just have a little bit more of a natural healthy glow. Let me know what you think. You might not be able to notice it, but I literally did my arms with this last night, and then I did my chest, my neck, and then sprayed this on my face. And yeah, Super happy with it so far. I'll let you know if I have any problems with that. So that's why I ordered that. I've seen a lot of people using it, like Bronte King that I follow on Instagram. Again, Jamie Genevieve. Lots of influencers have been using these two products, and it is really sort of like natural and glowy. And I don't like fake tan to look fake. Do you know what I mean? Like, I want to look naturally sun-kissed. That's just the way that I like it. Oh, I think that's leaking. That is very sad. Don't leak. Next thing is this spa headband. So I got this because I do my skincare every day, and my hair, even if it's tied up, my fringe falls out and I get cream all in my hair, and it's just not a good vibe. So I got myself a spa headband. It's just a, yeah, little headband. It's like a nice little soft tan material, and I'm just gonna use it for my skincare, face masks, in the bath, things like that. Maybe even putting makeup on might be quite handy. So I think it will just get my hair out of my face, and I won't have to kind of like deal with hairbands or anything. So yeah, that's why I got this guy. And I have seen other people using this as well, like all the influencers, they use them in their videos and they look really cool, and there's me just like hair scrape back. So that's why I went for this as well. It is the So Eco Spa Headband. Yeah, cruelty-free and vegan. Okay, so the next thing that I ordered is the, I'm gonna say it's called Weedad. The Weedad Curl Immersion Conditioner. So the reason that I got this is because it's like an alternative to shampoo. So a while ago I did a co-washing series. I probably co-washed my hair for a couple of months in total, went into depth about what co-washing is and did a little tutorial on how to co-wash. And I did see some really good benefits for my curls. And now that I've had my hair cut as well, I think my hair just feels so much curlier. So I really want to try and enhance that. I do know that this says it's for kinky curls, but I'm gonna give it a go anyway, because why not? So I'm gonna start doing that again, probably in the summer. I'll start co-washing again and using this product. So if you're here for curls, then make sure that you're subscribed so that you get this review in the summer. I am really looking forward to using it actually. And they've got loads of products, and this wasn't too expensive. It was really affordable for the size that it is. Usually you get a much smaller container, but this is 16 ounce, 16 ounces, 473 milliliters, and it costs £36. That is quite expensive actually, isn't it? But I've heard really good things. They brand themselves the curl experts, so let's see if they can live up to that name. Yeah, so it's just, yeah, basically a no lather co-wash, and it just replaces shampoo. So I'm super intrigued to try that. Let me know if you've used Weedad before. I don't know how to say it. Correct me in the comments, please, because I mean, it looks like it should say Weedad. But yeah, that's why I got that, because I'm on a curly hair journey. I want my curls to be as curly as possible, and I thought I'd give this guy a go because 1, I love co-washing, and 2, I love curly hair products, and 3, I've never used this brand before. So all new things, you know, why not? Next up is Pureology. I've heard really good things, and I'm getting crushed online by their advertising, so it's obviously meant to be. They are 100% vegan ingredients, and I love vegan ingredients. And this is for dry, color treated hair, which is me. I do have quite dry hair and it is color treated. So I thought we would give these a go. So I'll probably review these next. I'm very purple heavy today, aren't we? Sorry to go off piste, but look, purple. Purple, it's a purple vibe. Wow. Anyway. I'll probably be reviewing these next. I'm currently using Function of Beauty, and I'm still not sure how I feel about them, to be honest. I'm gonna review those in a couple of weeks, so you will see that But I think I need to use them for a little bit longer so that I've got a good understanding of the products, because at the moment I'm just not sure on them. But yes, I've heard really good things about Pureology. Pureology, yes. And it is professional color care, so it's for color treated hair. But saying that, I think if your hair wasn't color treated and you had natural colored hair, you could still use products like this. It's probably just marketing. So there's no sulfates, there's no parabens, and they're meant to be a really lovely brand, really sustainable. The bottles are recyclable. So you know what? I thought I'd give it a go. And a couple of my hairdressing friends have said to try these because they're really good. So I went for the Hydrate range because I love a little bit of hydration. And yeah, I'm looking really forward to using those. But as I said, I'm still using Functional Beauty at the moment, so you might not see these for a while. If there's any other Pureology products that you think I should try, or the Wadad, don't know how to say it, any of those products, then let me know. I am constantly open to suggestions. But yeah, so that's it. Just a small haul from me today, guys, from Look Fantastic. I think I spent just over £100 and I got about £12 in discount with my 20% discount code. Like I said earlier, all of that information is in the description down below, along with links to all of the products if you want to try them out with me. I will be reviewing the hair care ones, and if you want me to review the skincare ones, then let me know. I'm open to suggestions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week for my weekly upload. Bye!